Trying to stop me everything I know about comedy. So you guys don't mind, for fight, just a little segment of time, can I show you guys like my inspiration to comedy? Do you guys mind if they come on and do some jokes? Yeah, okay, cool. These guys are fucking awesome. They're gonna kill it. These guys, I saw them in Vegas. They're a dual act. They're probably the best in the biz. Please welcome to the stage the Canary Brothers, everybody. Give it up for the Canary Brothers. You're more excited. Look at these guys.
Yeah. Hello, Calgary. How is everybody doing tonight? I trust you're having fun. So how about that local sports team? Well, enough with the small talk. Let's move on to the jokes. My name is Purple Canary, and this is my friend, Bald. Dave. We did not practice very hard. Hey, Dave, why do birds fly south for the winter?
It was too far to walk.
Oh, that happened to me once.
Fuck you, that's funny. What did the tree say to the wind?
Leave me alone.
That's so true.
That's funny.
What? What is a Mexican's favorite sport?
Cross country.
I get it because it's racist. Yeah. That's also why I like funny.
Stop. What did the horse say when he fell?
Help, I've fallen and I can't get your help.
You people paid money for this. Oh, that sucks. What did the buffalo say to his son? Oh, this is funny. When he left. What did the buffalo say to his son when he left for college?
Bison.
We're fucking killing it.
The weirdest part is I looked at the paper and these are just drawings of dicks.
A set of jumper cables walks into a bar. The bartender says,
Okay, I'll serve you, but I don't start anything.
like, don't start it, you fucked it up.
10
I don't
more
like that.
minutes.
I hope you guys are enjoying the 10 minutes of bison.
Two antennas met on a roof, fell in love, and got married. The ceremony wasn't much, but the reception was excellent. It's right there in front of me. And you know what, guys? I'm sorry that we're wasting your time, but we've prepared a huge closer.
Yeah!
Scotty and I have actually been practicing this one for like years, and we've never had the balls to take to the stage before.
Bald Dave.
That's what I meant to say.
His nickname's Scotty? That's cool.
Anywho, if you guys are ready, we're gonna blow your fucking minds. Come on, give it up. Blow your fucking minds! Alright, Eric, fucking hit it. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. It's the final countdown. fucking switch shirts.
The Canary Brothers, everybody, give it up for them! Come on, make some noise! They switched fucking shirts, guys! That was fantastic. Those guys taught me everything I know now about comedy. 1, never fucking prepare. 2, wear as bright yellow shirts as you can. And have some sort of shirt magic reveal. That's all you guys need to know about